We're attaching a 1mm fold-over cord or chain end to beading chain. We will be using a fold-over end, a piece of chain, a pair of flush cutters, and 2 pairs of flat nose pliers. Hold the fold-over end by the loop and place the chain into the groove with a small piece of chain extending over the loop. Take a pair of flat nose pliers, placing them over the loop and chain. Hold securely in place with the pliers. Using the second pair of flat nose pliers, begin folding down the edge of the chain end closest to you, over the chain in the groove. This is fiddly. Then begin folding the other side over the chain and the edge that is already in place. Check that the chain is secure. Take the flush cutters to carefully trim the excess piece of chain, taking care not to snip the loop. This end is now ready to accept a connection for your design.